The E-Class sedan, revamped from the ground up with additional technology and elegance, debuts this year. This year's hybrid powertrains improve 4- and 6-cylinder power, and the exterior looks great. The cabin has many innovative tech features. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class costs $63,350 to $73,540, depending on specification and extras. The E-Class comes in premium and pinnacle trims with varied equipment levels and 4- or 6-cylinder E350 or E450 engines. We'd keep the E350's 4-cylinder power plant and upgrade to the pinnacle level for the extra comforts. Pinnacle models have a 17-speaker Burmester radio, head-up display, noise-insulating window glass, lighted grille, and ambient interior lighting. A turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and 23-horsepower electric motor produce 255 horsepower in the E350. The E450's turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six produces 375 horsepower with a hybrid system. Hybrid systems eliminate turbo lag and smooth auto start/stop. In our new E-Class test, both powertrains delivered power smoothly and silently. The 4-cylinder E350 is fast, but the E450's inline-six is even faster and more powerful. The original steel spring suspension can be replaced with an adjustable air suspension, but both setups offer excellent ride quality and handling. Some say rear-wheel steering improves agility in narrow situations. At our test track, the 4-cylinder E350 reached 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds. With 4.4 seconds to 60 miles per hour, the 6-cylinder E450 was faster. Unsurprisingly, the E-Class cabin prioritizes comfort and luxury. The cabin has ample passenger room and luxurious elements like leather upholstery and metal detailing, but many are optional. The design is luxurious and matches the car's exterior. Our study of the E-Class all-terrain wagon, which has more cargo room than the sedan's trunk, is different from our expectations that this generation will only be a 4-door sedan.